Hello everyone. Let's look at this math trick. Alright, so 9 times 7, 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 18, 9 times 3, 27. You don't need to do that. Just use your fingers. 9 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the seventh finger, right? Okay, count the fingers before 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6, right? Count the fingers after 7. 1, 2, 3. So you have 63. What about 9 times 3? 1, 2, 3. This is the third finger, right? Count the fingers before this third finger. You have 1, 2. Okay, after this finger, how many? Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 2 and 7. 27. Right?